Ngalomthetho uyilwayo Isebe lemicimbi yezekhaya lifuna ukuba iingcukhacha zabemi beli zikhuseleke kusetyenziswe ubuxhakaxhaka obutsha kuzigcina.
The system that stores your fingerprint and ID, and photo, is called HANIS, Home Affairs National Information System. We are trying to move to a new system called ABIS, or Automatic Biometric Information System, which can store 5 of our biometrics, not only fingerprint and photo, but fingerprint, photo, palm print, iris recognition, facial recognition, and your photo, meaning it can recognize you through your iris, that this is actually Liang, or it can recognize you through your face. So that's what some of the things that we're trying to do.
Yezekhaya lephakamisa ukuba kungabi semthethweni ukungcwaba abantu ngaphandle kwesertificate sokubhubha.
There are people in other parts of the country who bury people without death certificates. We want to make that illegal. In other words, we want to make it criminal offense to bury anybody without the death certificate. Just to show you how important this is. In the eastern part of this country, especially between Eswatini and Mpumalanga, we've realized that many babies there, when they die, no death certificate is taken of them. Rather, after burial, their birth certificate are sold to a foreign national who then assumes their identity.
Lomthetho ufuna ukuba abantu abangaziboniyo bengamadoda okanye bengamabhinqa bakwazi ukuchazwa ngendlela abafuna ngayo kwizazisi zabo.
People who are not sure, who are still going sex change operations, hormonal treatment and psychological counseling, we put an X on the digit number 7, and then we continue with all the others as they are.
Isebe lezekhaya liyathemba ukuba abemi beli baza kuhlomla kulomthetho uyilwayo ingekhapheli inyanga izayo.